just leaving home to go to Mandeep and Jackie's place to watch the Canucks game. Got Steph's computer here. Nothing's wrong with it. And, yep. Canucks are gonna own the Sharks. Made some sinigang today. Nice. Just finished washing my car because it's really nice out today and it's supposed to be nice for the rest of the week. Hopefully it worked out pretty well, but you can never tell when it's wet and it's black, so we'll see how it goes once I bring it outside later. Pink Cadillac. At Jackie and Mandeep's place watching game 2 of Canucks versus the Sharks, and Canucks up 3-2.
The next day, the next evening we have off.
Who else is here?
We're watching Doctor Who season 1 beginning to end.
They're talking about Doctor Who. What nerds.
Sorry. Actually spelled like TARDIS. I'm like, yeah, time and relative dimension and space. And then she looks at me like so disgusted, like that's such a nerd.
Then I call him the TARDIS.
I'm about to wash my car again for the second time this week because I missed a few spots and because a bird pooed on my car. So yeah, I gotta clean it.
I'm amassing an army.
Oh wow!
This weekend, what is
We are at Mandeep's place watching game 3.
You're kidding me. You're waiting. Everybody's
3-0 for San Jose first intermission. I'm here with Mario, Craig, Mandeep, and Adam.
Are you guys talking about WoW?
No. This guy. I was talking about my personal life and how awesome I am.
Ice cream!
And then crash.
Ice cream! Saturday night, didn't do anything really all day. I got hungry, so I went to A&W, got myself some food to eat. And that's about it. Got gas. Either this girl got a new car or there's a new tenant, but there's another car parked beside me now, and hopefully this one doesn't ding me every day. Game 4, here we go. I'm late, but that's okay because it's only the first period. Yeah, let's do this.
No, before that one.
Boyfriends.
Oh my god, dude! You can't be saying that stuff. That's so gay.
Yes, he can. Boyfriends.
At Felipe's party, it's alright. There's maybe like 30 people here. Not bad. What's up, Mario?